Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find or determine the battery usage of each application individually on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, open that up. Select the system tile on the left side, and then on the right side, you would go ahead and locate power and battery. So we're going to go ahead and just select power here, in my case. So if you have a laptop, there will be an option that says power and battery, in which case you would select that, and then it actually would break down exactly how much energy each application is using on your computer. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward process on that. Again, it would be an option here for battery usage, and it would show you each application. I'm on a desktop environment here, so that's why it's not going to show for me. But pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.